Morning guys, so we are going to make a protein coffee. I am going to be using the Premier Protein Vanilla Shake. I have the Caramel Crumb Crunch in my brewer. This is by Drag Up, so guys, if you want to give that a try, go over there to Drag Up and get you some. He have different flavors. We're going to be using the Creme Brûlée today by Jordan Skinny Syrups. And if you would like to get you any of that, you can go over to skinnymixes.com and put in Mandy45 to save you some money. I don't have a discount code for Drag Up, but my friend April has one, and it's code Best Life. This is what I found, the Rice Krispies Treats flavor. I will say that it does not taste as much like Rice Krispies, so it's kind of a neutral flavor. If I be honest, it really doesn't taste like what you expect it to taste like, but it does taste good, and I think it'll go well with me putting it with the vanilla shake and the creme brulee. This tastes real good. I'm almost out of it, as you can see. Let's give it a little taste. Yeah, it's very good. So guys, if you haven't gotten any of this stuff, go and check it out. It's very affordable to make your cold brew at home using this cold brew system and Drag Up. I'll see you guys in the next video.